Hey folks, Adam Happily here, and I cannot wait to tell you about this ultra powerful robot vacuum and mop that is the future of home vacuuming. Very easy to use, easier to set up, lightweight, portable, and affordable. Let's go ahead and check out this
The TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus.
right about now. With 5,300 PA of suction, this ensures that it will efficiently pick up all the dust, pet hair, crumbs, and various debris from the flooring, and this is perfect to leave your home spotless. We did a series of tests that we'll show you in an overlay where we picked up things like dirt and debris. We even picked up some pet hair, and this was no problems and had no tangles. It has an auto empty dustbin, which is 3 liters large, which means that you don't have to empty it very often, and it's completely sealed where it's not leaving dust and debris in your house. Isn't that nice? It's not putting it up in the air. It also has LiDAR+IMU dual navigation system to accurately map out the perfect map for your house. It avoids emissions and will make sure that this will get your house clean, fast, and it even works in the dark. No spots are missed, utilizing a mesh grid for a comprehensive and thorough clean. This thing is better than my old cleaning lady, Rosie. We love Rosie, but this is doing a better job cleaning the floors. Yeah, and with carpet avoidance, this will make sure it doesn't leave wet areas from the mops on your carpet. Very smart. Now, it's that Tapo IQ Plus smart cleaning system. This serves as the robot's brain. Powered by multiple sensors and advanced algorithms, you can reliably leave your home and leave this thing to do all of its work. You never have to worry about it running over that puppy puddle and spreading it around. You never have to worry about it knocking over furniture. It's just smart, it's convenient, and it's not getting caught up in cords. In our tests, it's done a great job. Now, it has customizable cleanings, merge separate areas, and cleaning schedules. You can schedule it, you can customize different areas, all in a fantastic app that is easy to use and impressive. Now, on top of all of that, this has multi-floor maps. Yeah, it creates a 3+1 multi-floor local stored map to shape the full view of your house and make sure that your house is getting cleaned efficiently, and you can clean different zones efficiently and easily. It even has physical buttons on the top that you can use if you don't want to use the app. How cool is that? Now, I love the fact that it's got the easy to clean mopping pad. It's got those rubberized feet and those brushes that are tangle resistant. It's auto charging, which will return to the dock as soon as you need to charge when the battery gets low, and then restart right where it left off. This is so convenient. When you are out and about, you're at work, it'll do the mopping for you. You come home, the house is clean. And of course, with voice and remote control, you can pair it with your Echo or your Google Assistant to control the robot with simple voice commands so you can enjoy hands-free living. Oh yeah. And let me give you an example. Alexa, start my mop.
Starting your mop.
Folks, how cool is that? And folks, what a beautiful design with all the sensors built in to make sure that you're getting the ultimate clean, bump-resistant, anti-tangle brushes that are going to sweep dirt in and into that powerful suction of 5,300 PA. You're going to be able to clean the room efficiently, whether it's mopping or just vacuuming. All right, folks, and this is really, really cool. You can see it's mapped out portions of our house very easily and efficiently. Shows us our area and our clean time. A lot of stuff where we can start it remotely. And yeah, this is a very efficient mop that we absolutely love. We can go to our home, we can go to rooms, we can select different zones, and yeah, you can map it out accordingly. Just a very easy and efficient mop to use that we're absolutely in love with. And yeah, if you want to have some different areas here, you can select them accordingly. Folks, I absolutely love that you can adjust this accordingly with the map. Okay, we can click Edit Map, and then we can make a virtual wall, a room. We can add carpet, furniture, cleaning direction, etc. Rotate the map. So a lot of things that you can do and customize right in here, how easy and convenient that is. So if you want a no-go zone where you don't want it to mop, or you want to go ahead and just clean a certain area, you can do that at a push of a button, and this connects just as easy as Bluetooth to some headphones. So folks, there's a reason why people are calling this the best budget-friendly robot vacuum around. And you know, I absolutely love that this is the ultimate mess master when it comes to cleaning up messes and making your house even better. If you're looking for a high-quality robot vacuum, I also love that this 5300 PA of suction robot vacuum just does a great job. The company has a reputation for having a 0 defect rate, vacuuming and mopping combo, and hands-free cleaning with a 3-liter dustbin for a couple months. Very cool there. Virtual walls, personalized scheduling. I'd even show you that in the app, but you can just set the schedule. Maybe you wanted only robot vacuuming at night or when you're at work, or certain areas that are high traffic areas. You know, it doesn't have to do the whole house. Let it just do the kitchen and maybe your bedroom. Very cool. This gives you a deeper clean, guaranteed. And yeah, this is getting over 97% of dust pickup rate compared to the competition, which is about 76. Now, folks, I'm very thankful that I get to work with the top brands around, and the LiDAR navigation, the 360 radar, the accurate maps, and everything in between makes this an elite brand with its fast and accurate mapping, the 360 radar, and even night navigation. Some of these you have to turn on a light for them to work, but these guys really have you covered. Smart obstacle avoidance, 15-minute smart clean mopping and mapping, so where you can clean easily and efficiently. And I love that mesh grid. And it is furniture focused cleaning, making sure to get your floors very, very clean, and you never have to worry about it falling downstairs, unlike some of those previous models from other brands. Folks, we put our wholehearted support behind this. They've got the suction boost in the area that needs suction, virtual walls, no-go zones, and everything in between. If you're looking for a premium robot, this one is the best of the best. So go check it out. You can forget the rest. I love you guys. Get to shopping. Go pick one up. This thing is fantastic.